Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadin barajia bun ki jingjia badu ei ki mensim namar ka jingnia Khlemakor ki Shaka ha kabala yap ei ki bayat halenti bad kumjuru ka bo jingma ya ka jingim jong ki tohi ki banya Shaka. Usembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Ba Prestone Pensong ula Bthah ayo Director General of Police ban le de ki kam bala da don kino ki banya Khlemakor lagi dei ki banya kali ni nia ki thok Shaka kinsa sya penshitom de bating bad ban pentik kena ba baro ki pat ba ki bayat ba yang kin long singai uba Prestone uloong yakani hababo jingkli mentakas ngi ka khat saw trik unai beng arajar pulai hagabe dei bat ki jingjia ya takho kali bat ka jingnia Khlemakor jong ki thok Shaka ha ka babon ki mensem breu ladu ei uba Prestone uloong ba mu uru ulayo i bakala jaman ka sngi bana kaliang jong ula de ban Bthah yo DGP ke jela ya ka ei ka ba udai ban le ha ka ba ula le ru ya ka kam la kalong ya ka tenat penyat kali niki SP bat ki bor district ru bat kumjo bala da don kino ki banyak Khlemakor nado ki banyak kali niki banyak thok Shaka kinsa sya penshitom de bating kat kum ka ai Shushu ba Prestone uloong ru ha ka dei bat ki silencer jong ki kali niki Shaka ki ba ki breu ki pendat bat ki baju penmi ke jing sawa kum ki tiar pen bthei nakaliang ki pulit kira talasi bat beteng ban penong ke jing pet perman ya kum kini ki kali ki ba pendat silencer
especially two-wheelers. So, and we have seen a number of reckless driving by these two-wheelers drivers. So, what instruction from the home police to especially to traffic police as well as these drivers to ensure that there is no such tragic incident as we have seen in the past few months?
Yes, it's very unfortunate. I think I have seen this tragic incidents happen almost every day. So the instruction has been given to DGP, and DGP has done it to download. Be it the traffic police, or be it the district administration, or be it the SPs, whoever, that any reckless drive, two-wheelers or four-wheelers, has to be handled very seriously, and to make sure also that everybody are safe. Because right now, see, like those silencer which they fitted, the sound of the silencer itself is just like a blast. So what happened? We have already taken action. Those people who did it, who fitted those kind of silencer, because we don't want to disturb anybody, and we continue to do that. Same way, those reckless driving, we will not tolerate, and we'll make sure that they are booked. Okay. They are booked and penalized as per law.
Sir, if you see